welcome. Today let's go ahead and see the products which I purchased during the Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale 2025. I've already uploaded a video with a lot of recommendations which you can go ahead and try out during this Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale. You can go ahead and check out that. Today we're going to see the video of the products which I purchased during the sale. I received it within 2 days. I just received it this morning actually. So I thought let's go ahead and share as to what I have gotten and is it really worth it. So first set of products is I got from K Beauty. So this is the K Beauty's new matte foundation which they launched a few months back. So this is how the packaging is. So this is the soft matte full coverage foundation with SPF 30 and it's got ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and the shade which I have is 155 white tan. So I already have the hydrating foundation from K Beauty, but that is 170 white tan. That is a little bit darker I feel for my face. So I got the shade 155 white tan this time. I haven't tried it, but I'll show you how the shade is. So it is very lightweight. The consistency is very light. So that is the shade. I think this will be a good match for me. So I will do a detailed review about this foundation very soon. So K Beauty products, the offer which you have is where you purchase above some amount. I think it's 1,100 and I think 1,200 if I'm not wrong. You get a free product, and this foundation, the actual cost is the MRP is 1,499, and in this sale you get it for 1,349. But with all the other offers included, where with the bank offer, additional coupon offer, everything, I got this for 1,073. So I wanted to purchase another product in order to get the free product because I just wanted to check what that was. So for that I got this nail polish, and this is of shade Rose Gold Sparkle. So this is a sparkle nail color which is really good. I actually liked it. And the actual cost of this is 279 and the offer price is 181, and with the discounts I got it for 144. So for purchasing the K Beauty products, you get a free product. As I said, that you can choose what you want. I think you have around 4 products where you can choose from, and I did get this. I chose this. So this is the K Beauty's Matteinee lip crayon. So this is the lip crayon. I got the shade, so you cannot select the shade. The shade which I got was a rom-com, I guess. Yeah, it's rom-com. It's kind of an orangish shade with the red undertone. So that's the shade. It's a pretty bright shade. I feel, it may not suit me, but I can somehow make it suit me by applying some lip liner or applying it a very little quantity. So that's about the K Beauty products. Next, I got a couple of Maybelline products. Maybelline also has some offers available. So I got this Superstay Lumi Matte foundation. I already have the shade 330 with me, but the shade is a little bit darker I feel for me because my actual Fit Me shade is 312, and there were not many shades available when I got that. But now Maybelline has launched new shades in this Lumi Matte foundation, and I got the shade 311 thinking that it would suit me, and it actually does. I have applied it today and it's a pretty good match. I love this foundation because it's very, very lightweight. It blends in so beautifully. It's like, you have not applied anything on your face. That's how it feels. So the shade match is also pretty good. I will do a comparison video between this and 330. As I said, there are many other, shades launched. You can check it out. It's a great offer. The actual price, I think, as you know, it is 825, the actual MRP, and in this sale you get it for 495, which is a really good deal. And for me, with the rest of the offers, I got it for 416. So this is definitely a good deal. You can go ahead and try out if you want to the Lumi Matte foundation, and you have various shades available. So if you are in 312 Fit Me, 311 is a really good choice. And the next product from Maybelline which I got is the Superstay Teddy Tint. It's like viral across, and they have launched new shades as well, but I don't know, I got the shade Velvet Choker, and it's a kind of a nude shade. So I have applied it now. It's a very light shade actually. I thought it would be a little bit darker. So the actual shade, if you see here, so this is the actual shade. So this is how it looks. It's actually a little bit light when you apply it on your lips. So for me, it's actually 2 coats which I've applied to get this shade. It's actually a very light nude, pink, mauvish nude pink shade, which is actually good. So for daily wear, it is good. But if you have pigmented lips, you need to apply at least 2 coats, like how I've applied. And I feel it's kind of sticky. It's kind of heavy and sticky. So this is how it is. I kind of did not like the finish of it. Maybe I have applied 2 coats, so I'm feeling it more heavy. I'll probably try a single coat later on and I'll share my honest review about this. But anyways, I got it. I wanted to really try it because a lot of hype around, Instagram everywhere about this. So I wanted to try. And for buying the Maybelline products, you get a free product. So this, I think you have a choice to make. I did choose this. So this is the Maybelline's mini hyper curl mascara. So I really like Maybelline mascaras. They're like absolutely great. So this is the mini version of the hyper curl. So I do have the Sky High mascara from Maybelline, which is really great. So this one is also pretty good. So it's a mini version, easy to travel, and I think it would be great. The Teddy Tint actual cost is 740 or 750, I guess, and the sale price which you get is 630, and for me with the offers I got it for 530, which I am not sure. I really don't recommend this, at least that's the first impression. Next, I got a couple of perfumes. I don't know, nowadays I'm so much obsessed with perfumes. I'm buying so many perfumes and trying it out. And in this sale, one of the perfume which I got is the Victoria's Secret, and this had a really good deal. Victoria's Secret, I think everybody knows, it's a really good brand. So this is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction fragrance mist. This is, and this one is kind of a fruity note mist fragrance, and I really liked it. It's really good. The smell is like nice fruity smell. So if you love fruity kind of fragrance, this is really great. The actual cost of this perfume is 2,499, and the sale price which you currently have is 999, and with all the discounts I got it for 883, which is a really good deal. So yeah, if you want to try this, this is the right time to buy. And the next product which I spent almost half of my money in this haul is this product. So this is the Good Girl perfume from Carolina Herrera, and I have that classic version, and I love the packaging of it. I think many of you know how it is. So this is how the packaging is. It's so nice and beautiful. So I really love the packaging of it, and the fragrance is just amazing. So it's got that nice I think the top note is almond, and it's so amazing. The fragrance is so amazing. As I said, I've been obsessed with perfumes nowadays, and this is the first high-end brand I got myself, and I really loved it. I was really hesitant to buy because it is expensive, and what if in case I don't like it, but I took the risk and I got it, and I really loved it. And you get 2 free products if you spend more than 5,000, I think, on on the Good Girl, on the Carolina Herrera perfumes, and that was this. So 2 free samples. So one is the smaller Vial EDP. So this is the, again, Good Girl blush perfume. So this is a smaller one, so it's just a sample for us to try, and this is more of a floral note. And the other sample, so this is a 7 ml sample. Again, this is the Good Girl blush Elixir perfume, and this is how the packaging is. Again, the same type, a mini version of it, and this is the this is more floral than the other one. So I like both of it. That is more like kind of a subtle smell. It's not very strong or very light. It's in between. This is more of a floral note. So I like both. Both of them are absolutely great. So that's the high-end brand I got during this sale. So usually I buy at least one of the high-end brand during the Nykaa sale, because it will definitely be on a great discount or sale, or there will be some freebies available. So this perfume, the Good Girl the classic perfume 50 ml. The actual cost is 8,200 and the offer price which you get now is 6,560 if I'm not wrong. And with all the other discounts which was there, I got it for 4,690, which was like almost 45 to 50% off on the actual product, and I am very happy that I purchased it. So these are the products which I got during the Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale. I will provide all the details of the products which I got in the description. So if you're planning to buy any of these products during this sale, go ahead and utilize the offers. I hope this video was useful and you liked it. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.